Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Job Villa. Today we are going some jobs present in Abu Dhabi, UAE. These jobs are present in CPECC company. So we discuss these jobs: procurement engineer and expeditors, Abu Dhabi, UAE. We are hiring multiple positions. China Petroleum Engineering and Construction Corporation, United Arab Emirates announced these jobs. Required qualification and experience are looking for procurement engineer and expeditors to be part of our project procurement team. Candidate who have an experience in UAE with big APC contractor in oil and gas, petrochemical industry, and available within Abu Dhabi shall be preferred for interview. So to be qualified for interview, you must be graduate engineer with background in chemical, mechanical, electrical and instrument engineering, and you must have at least 8 to 12 year experience and minimum 3 years in UAE. So apply with confidence and send your CV to email ID khurshid.ahmed@cpecc.ae. Date of published this ad is 18 August 2022. So be hopeful and apply for these jobs and share with others, the people that want to grab some jobs like this. So like and share our videos and also subscribe our channel for further videos. Thank you.